Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS GMC. How are you today? In this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio and navigation screen in a HEADUNIT truck 300 series, and this one is HEADUNIT truck 300 series 2015. You would find it is similar with many other HEADUNIT trucks. Anyway, this one is so easy to be removed. The tool that you need is a plastic trim removal tool like this, and socket 10mm to unscrew the 10mm bolts. So we already start, but can easily to explain again. This whole dash need to be out. Okay, need to be out of the place. And to start with, you can either start from the bottom, slide at the bottom edge, or easier you slide from the top. So we actually start from the edge here and just slide the slim part in, and then you push it toward the body, push it hard, and it will actually come out from this edge. And you do it on the side, so basically the top will come out like this, and then you put your finger down here and pull this one out. It's just plastic clip at the back end of this whole panel. So easy to get it out. After that, you can put it out and trying to remember all the cable behind the dash. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of the connector behind at this moment. So that's a bit of fun game if you want to remember them, but at least they are dedicated to each one, so you don't miss it. And yep, make sure that you unplug them safely, one from left to right or right to left. After that, you can easily remove the whole dash piece out of the dashboard. And here is the factory radio unit, and you can see the factory GPS sensor put up here, and it is held by 4 different 10mm screws. So 1 2 3, and then another one down here, 4. So we already unscrewed, and you can do it easily. After that, you can slide this head out of the place. Very easy. Okay, so you can easily pull it out, and this one you can see is magnetic sensor here. So this whole head unit can be out at this moment by sliding it out, and then you will see some cable at the back which just disconnect it, and you can get it all out. That's how we actually remove the factory unit in the HEADUNIT truck. So thanks again for watching, and we are doing the 10-inch upgrade for the truck. We'll see you soon in another review video. Thank you, and we'll see you then.